Welcome students. Here we will be discussing a question from the topic sum of n terms of arithmetic progression. Here question is, if the first term of an AP is 2 and the sum of the first 5 terms is equal to 1/4 of the next 5 terms. You try to understand it properly. Okay? The sum of the first 5 terms means S5, sum of the first 5 terms is equal to, this is equal to 1/4 of the next 5 terms, means sum of 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, that will be equal to sum of first 10 terms minus sum of first 5 terms. This will be equal to 1/4 of sum of next 5 terms. Okay, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, these 5 terms. Okay, next 5 terms. Then we have to show that 20th term is minus 112, means we have to find out T20, 20th term, and find the sum of the first 30th term. We have to find out S30. Okay, so here first term is also given. You see, first term of an AP is 2. So we take first term as A, indicated by A. So A is equal to given 2 and this condition is given. So with the help of this condition, first of all we will try to find out common difference, means D. Correct? So let us solve this. S5 is equal to 1/4 S10 minus S5. Correct? So let us do it separately, then it will be more convenient. How we can get S5? Here we will use the formula Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. By this formula, S5 can be written as 5 by 2, a is 2, so 2 into 2 plus 5 minus 1 into d, and this is equal to 5 by 2, 4 plus 4. This is value of S5, LHS. This is left hand side here, and RHS is 1/4 S10 minus S5. So this is 1/4. S10 will be how much? Formula is n by 2. So 10 by 2 into 2a, means 2 into 2, 2a plus n minus 1 means S is 10. So 10 minus 1 into d, S10 minus S5. S5 will be minus S5. S5 will be, with the help of this formula, 5 by 2, we have already got it. So this is 5 by 2, 4 plus 4d. Correct? And let us simplify it. This is the 1/4, 10 by 2, 4 plus 9d minus 5 by 2, 4 plus 4d. Okay, now let us simplify it further. Sorry, capital bracket will be okay, so capital bracket close here. Fine. Now let us simplify it further. This is 1/4. Here in this case LCM will be 2, or we can take 2 common. So if we take 2 common and these 2 will multiply with 4, we will get here 8. So 1/8. Okay, and we can take 5 common also. So we will write 5 here. So 2 into this much means 8 plus 18d minus 4 minus 4d, and this is equal to 5 by 8 into 18d minus 4d is equal to 14d, and 8 minus 4 is equal to plus 4. Correct? So now let us put these values of LHS and RHS here, and by solving we'll get the value of D here. So S5 is this much. S5 is this much. So 5 by 2, 4 plus 4D is equal to, right hand side is 5 by 8, 14D plus 4. Simplified further, 5 will be cancelled out from both the sides, 2 4s are 8. So by cross multiplication, we'll get here 4 into 4, 16 plus 16D is equal to 14D plus 4. And transpose 14D to this side, 16D minus 14D will be equal to 2D. And in right hand side, this 16 will be transposed, so it will be minus 16. Minus 16 plus 4 is minus 12. So therefore D is equal to how much? Minus 6. Correct? So we are having value of first term, A is equal to 2, as well as value of common difference, D is equal to minus 6. Okay? Now we have to show that 20th term is minus 112. How to get 20th term? We'll use the formula Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So 20th term T20 is equal to A is 2 plus 20 minus 1 into D is minus 6. So this is equal to 2, and this is 19. 19 into minus 6 is equal to 114. Correct? And this is equal to minus 112. So we are getting this much here. So it has been proved. Clear? We had to prove that 20th term is minus 112, and we have got here 20th term is minus 112. And next part of this question, find the sum of the first 30th term. So for getting the sum, we will use this formula. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N will be 30, a is 2, and d is minus 6. So we can find out S30 very easily. This will be 30 by 2 by this formula, n by 2 into 2a means 2 into 2 plus n minus 1. N minus 1 means 30 minus 1 into d. D is minus 6. Okay, so this will be cancelled out, 15, and this is equal to 15. This is 4 minus how much? This is 29. 29 into minus 6. Minus 174. So S30 is equal to 15 into minus 170. Okay, and this is equal to minus 2550, minus 2550. This is the answer for sum of first 30 terms of this given AP. Okay, so this is the solution. Hope you got it, understood it very well. And in the next video, we will see another question from the same topic. Thank you very much for watching this video.